what the self-organizing map really brought to the single cell data is this idea of over-clustering, of doing this two-step clustering, of first going way too much, and then with a slower algorithm, on that level, you can do much more detailed clustering to go to your cell population level. And I think that idea is really thanks to first going by the self-organizing map, and that we maybe would not have thought of this approach with something like k-means. Well, with self-organizing maps, this is quite typically done. And so then it turned out that it seemed quite a good approach for single cell data, and that, but more and more people in the field seem to be using now. So that's really very rewarding for me that we could give a little help there in the analysis of all this exciting data.